welcome to my channel Interview Crackers. In a previous video we have done how to create Angular app with Angular material. Now in this video we have done how to implement Firebase SDK, how to connect with a real-time database using the database URL and web API. So first of all, we have in a previous video we have done a login component with a form. So in this tutorial we have done how to implement Firebase SDK and how to connect them, configure in a Angular app. So let's start. So now we can fix the some CSS issue in our Angular app. So you can see here is a spec element and we can see is a container class. You can see it is a form. Now we can add the some CSS for the padding. So now we can create a class and we can remove here some classes and add padding 1px. We can add padding here 15px. Now we can copy here and go to the Visual Studio Code, open the app component.ts file and we can paste here. Now save it. Now we can also one thing import in a style.css file. We can import here Angular material slash prevail theme emma.css. Now we can import here this link, call the all css file in Angular chat app. So now open your browser and refresh page. Now you can see here is a new theme CSS successfully apply. You can see here is a nickname is a placeholder name. Now in our app padding is not working, so let's see what is the problem. So we can go the spec element. So we can go the spec element and see the form classes. We can see here is a our CSS is on a display. So we can add here padding. We can go the Visual Studio Code. We can go the login component.tss and we can add here padding CSS. Now app is compiled. Now app is successfully compiled. Now open the browser. Now I have to recheck this is working, and login component is successfully work. Now we can go the how to implement the Firebase in a Angular chat app. So first of all you can go the CMD and type the command npm install dash dash save Firebase. We can copy here 2 times, so once time we can delete, and you can see it is a command npm install dash dash save Firebase. Now click enter. Now you can see Firebase is successfully added. Version is a 7.17.1. So Firebase is successfully installed in a Angular chat app. Now we can connection with a real-time database. So we can go the app component.ts file. Here we can add the connection history. So first of all we have had the two URL. One is a web API and second is a database URL. So we can create a constant variable config, and you can see here is a two variable API key and database URL. So we can first of all go to firebase.google.com, type in the URL. Now we can go to the console. Now you can see project is open. Now you can go to the our Angular chat project. Now we can go to our Angular chat project. Now we can go the database and select the real-time database. You can see here is this is our real-time database dashboard. You can also check the rules. This is our defined rules. Now we can use the web API key and database URL. So we can go the setting and click on the project setting. Now you can see here is a in a general tab we can see there is a web API key, so we can copy here and paste. Here is API key variable our Angular chat app. Now we can go the service account. Now you can see here is the database URL, so we can copy here database URL and add is a database URL. Now we can here add the constructor firebase.initialize.app and using the config variable. So this is a complete process how to configure the real-time database. So in the next video we have done how to implement login, means how to login work, how to we can login using the Firebase real-time database, how to store the value in a real-time database. So in the next video we have done how to implement login and other things. So stay tuned for my next video and subscribe my channel.